Sometimes you are worried because of your physical performance. Sometimes you are stressed, thinking of how you can improve on your physical performance. Some of you, when you go for relaxation, you don't relax very well. You go for 2 minutes, you don't come back for the second round. This makes you to be lazy competitor with your friend at home. So today I'm going to tell you how to use honey and how to use garlic to maximize your relaxation. If you go for first round, I want you to come back for the second round immediately. Okay? So this home remedy, it will help you to increase blood flow. And remember, when you have high blood flow in your body, trust me, even the activity will become better. You'll be appreciated during your competition. But before we go to the preparation, remember this video is for educational purpose only. It is not intended to diagnose, treat, or cure any disease. Results varies from a person to a person. So take it when you expect that you appreciate my presence. Subscribe, leave a comment in the comment section. You can be friends on TikTok and the same time on Facebook. So if you're on TikTok and Facebook, it's time now to go to YouTube, okay? So let's go now to our preparation. I'll be back and I'll tell you more about this amazing home remedy. First of all, we need fresh ginger. If you don't have, you can buy from your nearby markets or local markets. And remember, we don't need like a big piece like this one. We just need just a little piece from this one because we are going to make just a drink for simple taking, as you see, okay, like this one. Remember, ginger contains minerals, yes, vitamins. So guys, this piece is enough. Remember, I always tell you, this video is for educational purpose only. It does not intend to diagnose, treat, or cure any disease. Results may vary from a person to a person. So just take it like the way you're going to see in this video. My dear will thank me later. So from now, you're going to create our ginger, as you see, guys. Okay? Remember, if you're a newcomer to this YouTube channel, please subscribe. Invite your friends to this YouTube channel. Don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section. And of course, I'll be uploading videos on this YouTube channel, which will help you to improve on your health. Now, this is what you have got after grating. That is it. As you see, guys, very healthy minerals, nutrients, you can find them in this ingredient, guys. We need also garlic. Remember, guys, if you don't know garlic, this is the product which they use to make Viagra, which you don't know. Garlic is very good. It increases blood flow. It will make you to be a real person in life, healthy, and you'll appreciate its functions. So you need just one piece of garlic like this one, and you proceed with the preparation. So from that, you're going to remove the outer parts of your garlic. Just use one piece of garlic, guys. Don't use a lot, it's enough, okay? Because it's very strong and it smells a lot. Just one piece is enough to get your amazing home remedy for your health to become better. You're going to do the same. Start grating it. Guys, do the same. Grate your garlic together. Here we go, guys. We need a glass. We need a glass. You're going to bring all your grated ingredients together in one glass. As you see, bring them here. Very, very good. You'll be a real person during the activity. Go for 5 minutes without stopping. When you stop, you come back immediately for the second round, as you see. Now from that, you're going to get for me just little amount of cold water. This is my cold water, guys. Cold water, you bring it here, as you see. This is cold water, okay? Now from that, you're going to cover your remedy for 15 minutes. Okay, cover it for 15 minutes, and trust me, after 15 minutes it will be in different color, from water to something else. This is our remedy after 15 minutes. As you see, it changed its color. Now we are going to filter this amazing home remedy, guys. We have to filter our amazing home remedy. Okay, filter very well. As you see, want to filter. Want to filter very well. This is what we have got after filtering. As you see, guys, very interesting but powerful, and it's natural. Yes, now bring your glass, bring it here. Okay, from that we need Nescafe, or you can use any type of coffee powder so long as it's coffee powder. Right now I'm using Nescafe, but I would recommend you to use Nescafe because Nescafe is original and there is no added chemicals. So here we go. Okay, Nescafe, guys, as you see. Now for that, you're going to add for me just a half spoon of your Nescafe. A half spoon. This is enough. Okay, bring it here. Make sure that you mix very well. Guys, don't forget, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and of course invite your friends to this YouTube channel. If you're on TikTok and Facebook, go to YouTube, look for this YouTube channel and subscribe, guys. Yeah, here we go. We need hot boiled water. As you see, you bring it here. This is enough. Do the same. Mix very well. Mix very well. Okay. Very interesting. Yeah. Now, last ingredient is natural honey. As you see, we need natural honey. Our last ingredient, you need natural honey. Then you're going to add just 1 tablespoon of natural honey. Okay, add 1 tablespoon of natural honey, guys. So add 1 tablespoon. I didn't measure just because I'm showing you, but for you have to measure 1 tablespoon. Then mix again. Natural, no side effects, and I recommend you for the instructions to get the best benefits from this home remedy. Remember, I told you this video is for educational purpose only. It does not intended to diagnose, treat, or cure any disease. Results may vary from a person to a person, guys. Okay, here we go. Very, very nice, guys. Okay. Now, after seeing this amazing home remedy, what comes in your minds? Do you hope that the activity, your natural energy will become better? Do you hope that your natural physical performance will be improved? To me, I say yes, because it contains natural ingredients. These natural ingredients help to improve on blood flow, which makes you to be a real man, as you can see this glass. So I want you to take this glass 30 minutes before the activity. Take it 30 minutes before the activity. Trust me, you won't remain the same. This will give you maximum natural energy, maximum good endurance, physical performance, and you'll go like someone who is expected to be a good player during the game. No overdose, no side effects. Take it in your free time, before the activity, before the relaxation. You thank me later. Natural ingredients, of course. Remember, follow for more for such amazing videos.